So in this video, we are going to learn how to transcribe and summarize audio file using AI agent. So in this video, we are going to build an AI agent which will get the new audio files which we are uploading on our Google Drive folder. After taking the audio file, this AI agent will send the same file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI's Whisper API, we are going to get the transcription of the audio file as well. After getting the transcription, this AI agent will send the same transcription to ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT, we are going to get the summary of the transcription as well. And at last, we are going to add all the details like the file name, file URL, transcription, and summary in our Google spreadsheet to create a record over there with all of these details. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder where I'm uploading the audio files. Now, in this video, we are going to build an AI agent using which we are going to first pick the new audio files which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder, and then this AI agent will transcribe the audio files over here. After transcription of the audio files using AI platform like OpenAI, we are going to basically send the same transcription to ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT, we are going to get the summary of the audio transcription, summary of this audio file. And at last, we are going to add all the details like the file name, file link, the complete transcription of the audio file, and also the summary of the audio file in our Google spreadsheet over here. Now you must be thinking how we are going to connect all of these applications to build this AI agent. So to connect all of these applications and build this AI agent, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI agent for audio transcription and summary. AI agent for audio transcription and summary. Now, after naming our workflow, just click on this create button. And as you click on create, here you will see a new workflow will open in front of us. Now, and here in this workflow, you can see we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation, this whole AI agent works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect this Google Drive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new audio file will be uploaded in this Google Drive folder, the same file will be captured by this AI agent and this AI agent will trigger, it will start. So for that, here in the trigger step, just search for Google Drive, just select it. After selecting Google Drive in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. After that, here from this pop-up window, we just have to select your Google Drive account. After selecting our Google Drive account, just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the folder or subfolder. So here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the folders and subfolders which we have created in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, the folder from which we want to capture the new audio files is named as audio files over here. So from this drop-down, I'm going to search for the same folder and select it, that we want to capture the new files from this particular folder. After selecting the folder, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file which is uploaded in this Google Drive folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on save and send test request, here we'll go to this particular folder over here and we will open this file. Now here in this file, you can see the share permission of this particular file is private to only me. And with this share permission, we can't send this file to OpenAI and get the transcription of it. So what we are going to do, we are going to basically change the share permission of this file. But for this AI agent, we have to basically change the share permission of each and every audio file which we are uploading to this Google Drive folder. Now, instead of changing the share permission of each and every file, what we can do, we can change the share permission of this complete folder. Just click on this folder name from the drop down, just click on this share option. After clicking on share, under general access, right now you can see the share permission is restricted. From the drop down, we are going to select anyone with the link and then just click on done. And as we click on done, here you can see that the share permission of this folder is updated to anyone with the link. And all the files which will be added in this folder will be having the same share permission. So now if I open this audio file over here, you can see automatically the share permission is changed to public on the web, basically to anyone with the link. Now, after changing the share permission of the folder and ensuring that we have an audio file over here in this Google Drive folder, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, we have received the details of the same audio file which we had in Google Drive. Here you can see we have the view link of the same audio file. If I copy this link and paste it in a new tab, the same audio file will open in front of us over here. Here you can see this is the same file. Then after that, in the next response, we have received the download link of the file. And using this link, we can just directly download the same audio file over here. So I'll just open this link and within seconds, you can see the same audio file will be downloaded. Now we are going to send this download link to OpenAI for transcription. Then we'll scroll down further and we will see some other details related to the same audio file over here. Like we have the name of the file and all the other details over here. This is the file name response. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have successfully connected our AI agent with our Google Drive folder and captured the new audio files from Google Drive in this Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send this same file link over here. We want to send the same file to OpenAI, and using OpenAI's Whisper API, we are going to get the transcription of this file as well. So we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, we will search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from this drop-down, we are going to select the action event as Generate Transcript. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we are going to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account from the dashboard. From the left sidebar, just go to API Keys section. Under API Keys, click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this key a name. Let's say I'll name my API key as Pabbly Connect. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating this API key and select the permission as all. And then just click on this Create Secret Key button. As we click on Create Secret Key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the audio file URL. That what is the audio file URL? What is the link of the audio file which we want to transcribe using OpenAI? So we have received the audio file URL from Google Drive in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to basically add this response of web content link, basically the download link of the audio file over here. Now to add this response of download link from this Google Drive trigger step to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of audio file URL, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive of a new file in the specific folder. Out of all of these responses, select the response of web content link and it will be mapped over here. After mapping the file URL over here, it is asking us for the model. That in this dropdown, we have 3 options: Whisper, GPT-4o Transcribe, and GPT-4o Mini Transcribe. So using which model we want to transcribe this audio into text. So let's say I will be using Whisper over here as a model to transcribe the audio file. Now after mapping the file URL and selecting the model, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And yes, here you can see that the response is received. In this response, we have received the same transcription. We have received the transcription of the same audio file which we have uploaded in Google Drive. So from our Google Drive folder, this AI agent has captured this file and sent it to OpenAI, and using OpenAI till now, we have basically transcribed this audio file. After getting the transcription of the audio file, what we want to do, we want to basically get the summary of this transcription of this audio file as well using ChatGPT. So for that, we will just scroll down, click on this add actions tab, and then here in choose app, we will search for OpenAI once again. After selecting OpenAI, this time we are going to select the action event as ChatGPT, just click on connect, and we are not going to make a new connection because we have connected our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step using the API key. You can just select the existing connection and click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is the AI model, that using which model we want to generate the summary using the transcription. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the models offered by OpenAI for ChatGPT. Out of all of these models, let's say I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o Mini, so I'm just selecting it over here. Then it is asking us for the prompt. So I've already created a prompt. Let me just enter this prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm providing. I'm sharing the transcription of an audio file. Please provide the text summary of the content. And after that, the same transcription of the audio file which we have received from OpenAI's Whisper in the previous step, we are going to map this response of same transcription to this ChatGPT action step. So here we will click on this field of prompt over here, and from this drop down from OpenAI responses, select the response of transcription and map it. So to ChatGPT, we are giving the prompt that we are sharing the transcription of the audio file and asking it to provide a brief summary of the content. And then we have mapped the transcription. After entering this prompt and selecting our AI model, just click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. In this response here, you can see that we have basically received the summary of the transcription. So here ChatGPT has given us a summary that what this transcription or the audio file contains over here. And this is the summary of the same transcription. Now, after getting the summary of the transcription of the audio file using ChatGPT, at last what we want to do, we want this AI agent to add all of these details in this Google spreadsheet. So the audio file which we have uploaded on Google Drive, we want to add the file name, the link of the file from Google Drive, the complete transcription, and also the summary over here in this Google spreadsheet. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this add action step button, and then here in choose app, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add new row. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account. Then we will just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the transcription data is named as audio file transcriptions. So here from this dropdown, we are going to select the same spreadsheet. Then after selecting the spreadsheet, in the spreadsheet, because we have only one sheet named as sheet 1, that's why in this dropdown, we have only one option of sheet 1, and we are going to select that. Then all the 4 columns of data which we have created, all the 4 column headers which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these 4 columns as fields over here. And one by one, from the previous step, the details, the responses which we have received, we have to add those responses into their respective field. Like here in the field of file name, I'll just click here, and from Google Drive responses, we have received the response of the name of the file. So I'll just select the response of file name and map it. Then here it is asking us for the file link. So we'll just click here from Google Drive. I'm going to add the web view link of the file and map it. Then here in transcription, from OpenAI's Whisper, we have received the transcript. We have generated the transcript of the audio file. I'm going to map the same response of transcript over here. And here in summary, using ChatGPT, we got the summary of the transcription as well. So I'm going to map the response of summary over here. And after mapping all of these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, the same details are now added in our Google spreadsheet. So we have added the details like the name of the audio file which we have uploaded in Google Drive. We have added the link of this file. We have added the transcription and the summary of the same audio file as well. So let's check it. We will just go to the Google spreadsheet, and yes, here you can see that in this Google spreadsheet, the same details are added. We have the same file name, we have the link of the same file, and if I click on this link, the same audio file will open in our Google Drive. Then here you can see we have the complete transcription of the same file received from OpenAI's Whisper API, and at last we have the summary of the transcription as well. So this means the AI agent which we have built using Pabbly Connect, this AI agent is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. I'll just go to Google Drive and we are going to upload another audio file over here. So this is the audio file which we have, AI automation with Pabbly Connect. Let me just upload it. After uploading this audio file in my Google Drive folder, we will see automatically within 10 minutes, the transcription of the same file will be generated, the summary will be generated, and all the details will be added in our Google spreadsheet. So the file is successfully uploaded, and now it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between Google Drive's trigger and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, this AI agent or Pabbly Connect will check for new files in our Google Drive folder every 10 minutes. So we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Google spreadsheet. And yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, just now a new row of data is added. And these are the details of the same audio file which we have uploaded just now. Here you can see we have the same file name, we have the link of the same audio file as well. And after that, here you can see that we have the transcription of the same audio file, and then we have the same summary of the audio file as well. So in this way, this AI agent which we have built using Pabbly Connect, we saw that this AI agent is working perfectly fine. It's not just this. You can build AI agents to automate multiple applications and multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same AI agent, this AI automation of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same AI agent, the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.